Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern Time. Let's get started. Our first event of the week, there is no trade room. It'll be the Australian Business Confidence Report Monday at 9:30 p.m. We'll be watching that report, but no trade room. Tuesday at 2 a.m., there is an official DMM report for the British Average Earnings Claimant Count. That's their jobs report, but we do not have a trade room for that event. Our first trade room will be Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. for the WASDE report, a family money trade. Back in the room at 12:30 for the 10-year bond auction, and again at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. Wednesday at 2 a.m. there's an official trade event, the British GDP manufacturing production, but there is no trade room at 2 a.m. for that event. Our first trade room on Wednesday will be 8 o'clock for the family money trade core CPI. No trade room for crude oil inventories and the 30-year note auction, but we'll be back in the room Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. for the Australia employment job report. Thursday, 7:45 a.m. we'll be in the room for the ECB main refi rate, that's their bank rate statement, and we'll stay in the room for U.S. retail sales, PPI, and unemployment claims. That's an 8:30 event. Natural gas storage, the trade room starts at 10 a.m. That's our final trade room on Thursday, but we will watch the 10 p.m. Chinese retail news industrial production report to see if there's any market action on that Chinese news. Friday morning at 8 o'clock, we'll be in the trade room for Empire State Manufacturing, 8:45 for capacity utilization industrial production, 9:30 a.m. for the preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, which is also our free YouTube stream of the week, and then 11:30 a.m. we finish out the week with the NOPA Crush report, oilseed futures trade. So, Leigh Goldstein here, reminding you to make your way into the trade room, learn all about appointment-based trading so you can trade on your own schedule. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the trade room.